I wake up. I wake up. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms.
I put on slippers. I put on slippers.
I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I open the curtains.
I open the
Curtains.
I exercise a bit. I exercise a bit. I make my coffee. I make my coffee.
I toast the bread. I toast the bread. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast.
I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I water my flowers. I water my flowers. I cut some roses. I cut some roses. I arrange the flowers. I arrange flowers. I go outside. I go outside. I meet my neighbor. I meet my neighbor. I buy fresh fruit. I buy fresh fruit. I cook my lunch. I cook my lunch. I take a nap. I take a nap. I drink my tea. I drink my tea. I read a book. I read a book. I listen to music. I listen to music. I cook my dinner. I cook my dinner. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I take a bath. I take a bath. I wear my pajamas. I wear my pajamas. I lock the door. I lock the door. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I dream a dream. I dream a dream.
All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day.